Activity 2B. Read the school notice and list the activities and the dates.
Dear students, we have some interesting and fun things for you this term. On September 21st, we have a school trip in the afternoon. October is a great month. On the 12th and the 15th, we have 2 ball games, soccer and volleyball. School day is on October 22nd. Your parents can come to our school. Next month, we have an art festival. It's on November 3rd. We have an English party on November 30th. On December 3rd, we have a book sale in the school library. This is a really busy term. Have a good time!